The sound that we are going to practice in this video is the sound eh. Repeat after me. Eh. 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 Eh in elephant. Again, elephant. Eh in eggplant. Again, eggplant. Eh in elevator. Again, elevator. Eh in extra. Again, extra. Eh in elf. Again, elf. What other words have the initial sound eh? Eh in sped. Again, sped. Eh in spent. Again, spent. Eh in recent. Again, recent. Eh in general. Again, general. What other words have the middle sound eh? Eh in bed. Again, bed. Eh in shed. Again, shed. Eh in red. Again, red. Eh in set. Again, set. What other words have the final sound eh? Now, let's practice phrases using the sound eh. Check the bed. Again, check the bed. Help the elf. Again, help the elf. Spending yesterday. Again, spending yesterday. Now, let's practice sentences using the sound eh. The elephant eats an eggplant. Again, the elephant eats an eggplant. The elf shed for help. Again, the elf shed for help. The elevator can elevate steps. Again, the elevator can elevate steps. The sound that we just practiced is the sound eh. 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 Thank you for listening and enjoy.